Hi everyone, my name is Fallon Fletcher and I'm a senior studying at the University of Michigan in Material Science and Engineering. Right now I am standing outside of the beautiful Ford Motor Company Robotics building, the newest department in the College of Engineering. Inside there are students who are creating smart machines that not only serve society but also respect humanity. Let's take a look inside. Here we are inside of the Ford Robotics building with the beautiful architecture and plenty of students around. This is not only a technology building, but it is a people-focused building. You will see there are students who are enjoying a bite to eat from the Eigen Cafe. They're studying, working on work, or even just relaxing. And now we're going to take a look at some of the projects and activities that they do inside of the robotics building. Welcome to the McNeil Walking Laboratory. I'm here with Parker. Can you tell us a little bit about the lab?
For sure. So as the name suggests, we're really interested in the dynamics of these walking robots in this lab and increasing their utility and safety in the real world.
Okay. And so do you have anyone who's not engineering who's part of the laboratory?
Yeah, so we're a really multidisciplinary group here. So we have, many engineers, but we also, are looking for people from the science background or even from an arts background to help us develop the field.
Okay. And this robot right here, can you tell me a little bit about this?
Sure. So this robot is named Animal. It's a quadruped. It comes to us from Switzerland, from another research lab there. And so what we use this robot for is, testing a variety of our algorithms on it to make sure that it can remain safe and interact with its environment. And so one thing we're really focused on here is even if, I were to disturb the robot, it's still able to, not fall over, remain safe, and ideally, not collide with humans or other obstacles.
Okay. Are there any other robots in the laboratory you could show us?
Yeah, so the robot over here, Digit, actually, is a biped. So unlike Animal, which has 4 legs, because Digit only has 2 legs, it's a lot less stable. So what we're focused on with Digit is, that increased instability complexity. Additionally, because Digit has arms, we can do things such as package delivery. So delivering packages to people's houses, for instance. And one of the things there is while it's delivering the package, we don't want it to drop the package, fall over, or, hit people or obstacles along the way.
Okay. Are there any opportunities for undergrads to be involved in the laboratory or participate with any of the robots that are here?
Yeah, for sure. We're always looking for new students to work with. So, if you ever reach out, we have many projects on the go and we're always looking for people to help out.
Okay. Thank you for taking the time to talk with us today. So we're back at the Ford Robotics building. I'm here with Kira. Can you tell me a little bit about your project team and the rover here?
Yeah, so I'm a member of the Michigan Mars rover team. I'm here with a few of our other members. We're a multidisciplinary student-run design team. We build a new rover from scratch every single year to compete in early June.
Okay, and when you're saying multidisciplinary, what does that mean? Like what type of majors are a part of the team?
Yeah, so we have a lot of engineering students. We also have a lot of students from LS&A. For example, we have a science branch and then a business sub-team, and a lot of the students on the business sub-team are not even in STEM-related majors.
Okay, and can you tell me what we're doing at the Mars Yard here today?
Yeah, so today at the Mars Yard, we are doing some accelerometer testing of the rover to try and determine the loads it's going to experience during drive. We expect the terrain at competition to be very similar to what is here on the Mars Yard, and so that will help us validate our design for this year's rover.
Okay, and so how does one join the project team? How do you get a part of it?
Yeah, so we do a lot of our recruiting sort of at the start of the year. We're always at Festival. We don't expect incoming members to have any prior experience. And like I said, we're multidisciplinary, so there's a spot for everyone. And we don't have an application process either.
Okay, and so what year do you have to be on to join the team?
So we have mostly undergrad students, and we have students from every year with an undergrad, and then we have a few grad students as well.
Okay, this looks really cool. So thank you so much for taking the time to talk to me today.
Our pleasure.